Welcome to South Bay Ford in Lincoln, and today we are looking at the Ford F-150. This one is the Raptor. This works for the other models. And we have the key here. Now, you can lock it or you can unlock it. But what do you do when your key fob dies? That's the question. Let's make sure you know what to do in case that ever happens to you. And before we get into the key fob dying, here's the key fob. It is currently locked, but you'll see I'm not going to touch the key fob at all. Just in my hand right here. I'm not touching any buttons, And then let's come over, grab this. It automatically unlocks. And then I can hit this, and now the vehicle is locked just like that. And this, say I have this key fob, I'm gonna go put it off to the side. Let's just put it on this tire for a moment. And now I'm gonna come back over to this spot. It is not going to unlock. It is not sensing anything. So you have to have the key fob within the distance of this right here in order for that to work. Now let's remember, if your key fob dies, you always have this code that you can program in here to get into the vehicle as well. But we also have this too. Here we are, we have the key fob right here. Now let's say we are locked out because this is dead. Well, we have options. This, you can just take this guy, you can press this button right here, and voila, just like that, this key is gonna come out so you can use it to enter the vehicle. So now I can just take this guy, I can just come in, and I can just put it right here, and I can turn it, and boom, just like that, I'm back in my vehicle. Now say you don't want to carry this key fob, say you're going surfing, maybe you're going biking, maybe you're going hiking, and say you can just take this guy right here, take this out, it's much smaller, and you can leave this behind. You can just take this with you, and it's much more lightweight, and you can easily access your car whenever you need to if you don't have the code or you just want to use this option and you prefer it. Now let's say that this key fob is dead. What are you gonna do? Well, I already showed you how to get into the car, but once you're in, are you stuck? You can't go anywhere because you need this right here. You're thinking you need this right here to be able to trigger this push to start and get it started. What are you supposed to do if this key fob dies? Are you stuck? Thankfully not. You're not stuck. Let's take a look. Ford actually has a cool little thing right here where this key fob, it is dead. Well, you come over to your cup holder and you're gonna see in here, this right here. Well, this is your little secret. You take this out of the cup holder and then you take your key and you put your key into this, and then you just come right on over and the car's gonna start up even with your key fob dead. You are ready to rock.